Happy spring! Today is the first official day of spring. I'm going to start my spring cleaning today, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I love spring and I love doing spring cleaning this time of year. Today I'm going to start my spring cleaning by cleaning my spice cabinet out. I have a couple of friends who are joining me in a collaboration to clean some things in their homes as well. I will have their channels linked in the description box below. So let's get busy tackling this spice cabinet. So this is what I'm starting with. I have two containers up here. I have my measuring cups here, and then this is where I keep my spices. I have these little spice jars that look like this that I'm going to fill up, and I have a couple of measuring cups and measuring spoons right here. So I'm going to take everything out and clean the inside of the shelves.
You're all he wants, and it's midnight. Oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind.
So I went through these off camera, and I have all of these that have expired, so I'm not going to be putting them in the glass jars. I'm actually going to be throwing them away. And these are the only spices that I was left with that are still in date, so I'm going to put those in the glass jars, and I'm just going to leave these things as is and put them back in.
I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him?
Every day
If you are new to my channel, I just want to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Jen. You can find a variety of homemaking content on my channel. I love to organize, declutter, clean. I also like to throw in some hauls now and then and some cooking and many other things as well. I like variety as it is the spice of life. I am a former teacher, and in 2020 I developed a virus that attacked my heart and I was in heart failure, so I am currently a heart warrior and I am thriving, and I just want to show you guys that if I can do it, you can do it too, and I would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
So I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Up at the top I have my 2 containers, and I also have my little glass bowls. On my middle shelf I still have my measuring cups. On my door I have my measuring cup here, and I have my spoons. And on the bottom shelf I have my labeled spice containers now, and then I have this clear container that has some bigger spices in it, or bigger containers of spices, and some cooking oils. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I enjoyed having some cohesive spice containers, so that was fun to put together. It was time consuming, but I ordered those on Amazon and I absolutely love that they come with so many different labels and just a variety of spice types, and you can even create your own. So if you are in the market for something like that, definitely check out Amazon. I would like to thank Sumner and Rob and Angel for collaborating with me. I will link their channels in my description box below. If you go check them out, please tell them that I sent you. Have a fabulous day, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.